Hi, I'm Harita S. Kumar, third year physics student from SN College, Punalur. Well, the above written question is a valid one. We all came across a situation where we were not aware of some pandemic kind of thing. We were completely hanging with zero option left with us, like how to survive this pandemic because we cannot leave our place or we cannot move out of our houses. We were so much filled with questions like these and many others. Then we came up with a decision for almost all our problems called online. We get relied upon for ordering online, we started playing online, and the most important thing is we started learning online. Online education, ban or boon? Digitalized education plays a crucial role in India. The arrival of internet and sophisticated technology has made a revolutionary change in education sector. Educational institutions across the country started adopting modern methods of sharing knowledge to the students, including smart boards, LCD projectors, and so on. I think online mode of education is a very convenient and easy way of learning. However, online education has both advantages and disadvantages. Following are some of them. Advantages. First one is convenience. Students can learn online lectures anytime and anywhere based on their convenience and can attend the class from the comfort of their home. Second one is managing time. Each and everyone get enough time for studying without spending their traveling time. A learner can schedule or plan their time for cover the subjects before appearing for the exams. Also get much more time for doing other extracurricular activities. 3. Climatic condition. Online mode of learning is more comfortable during heavy rainfall, during any pandemic or unfavorable climate conditions. 4. Online courses. Students can learn a lot of job oriented online courses and can acquire additional and professional skills. Free online courses are designed to give students an overview of developing new skills in the process leading to lifelong learning. 5. No age limit. People say that there is no age for education and learning. Yes, it is true. But people also say that every task in this world has its own time to perform. This is the time where everyone can acquire knowledge without any age limit, and there is a lot of scope in bringing out surprising innovations and digital developments. 6. Strong relationship with parents. Positive relationship between parents and children are important for all areas of children's development. It is based on spending quality time and building trust. Children's interaction with their parents helps them to learn how to behave around others. 7. Disease free. A person is said to be healthy when his or her mental, emotional, and psychological state is fit and fine, while a person is said to be disease free when he is devoid of diseases. That means without any physical attachment between others. 8. Safety. All the study documents, emails, recorded classes, etc. are safely stored in online database. If anybody needs this, they can recollect it. 9. Improved student attendance. Since online classes can be taken from home or location of their choice, there are fewer chances of students missing out on lessons. 8. Suits a variety of learning styles. Every student has a different learning journey and a different learning style. Some students are visual learners, while some of them prefer to learn through audio. Similarly, some students thrive in the classroom and others are solo learners who get distracted by large groups. Online learning system with its range of options and resources can be personalized in many ways. It is the best way to create a perfect learning environment suited to the needs of each student. That's all about advantages of online learning. Then we are moving to its disadvantages. First one is lack of classroom coordination. There is no face-to-face interaction between students and teachers. It is a challenge for teachers to move from offline mode to online mode, changing their teaching methodologies and managing their time. This puts barriers in communication skills and personality development. 2. Not affordable. It is not as easy as it seems. A considerable amount of investment is needed for getting the devices and equipment, maintaining the equipment, training the human resources, and developing online content. 3. Poor network issues. Unavailability of proper digital tool, no internet connections or Wi-Fi connections can cause a lot of trouble due to which students might lose out learning opportunities. 4. Lack of discipline. Many people lack discipline because their motivation goes down. During offline, students obey their teachers, but in online mode, students are free. It may create a sense of isolation. 5. Inability to focus. Students get distracted or they get find it difficult to focus on screen for a long time. If they are constantly look at the screen, they feel blink and leads to dryness of the eyes and blurry vision. This may leads to eye problem. Sixth one is physical and mental issues. Increasing eyesight problems with frequent headaches are attributed to prolonged screen time. Seventh one is cheating. To be fair to those who argue that an online education is more trouble than it's worth, there is certain factors of risk attached while opting for an online education. In most cases, there is no clarity on the institute offering these degrees. We do not clearly know if the institute is recognized whether their degrees have real values. Eighth one is lack of good friendships. Life without friendship is like the sky without the sun. Likewise, developing friendships can help powerful impact on their physical health. Ninth one is lack of feedback. Students who are experiencing problems in the curriculum can resolve them quickly and directly either during their lecture time and during the dedicated office hours. Personalized feedback has a positive impact on students as it moves learning easier, richer, and more significant. But here it still tends to struggle with student feedback. Traditional methods of providing feedback don't always work in online learning. 10. Online instructors tend to focus on theory rather than practice. Online instructors choose to focus largely on developing theoretical knowledge rather than practical skills. There are reasons for this. Evident theoretical lectures are considerably easier to complement in an online learning environment than in practical lectures. That's all about the disadvantages of online lectures. So, the conclusion. So, basically, online education have both merits and demerits, but it proved to be a boon during this pandemic period. Also, it has some limitations as well. Online mode of learning cannot replace our traditional way of education. Online education can be seen as a complement and extension of traditional way of education. It should not replace the traditional way, as it cannot fully replace the human relationships that develops in a group. Thank you. Have a nice day.